got this compressor hooked up to the red tank there. Right here's the output. Not quite tight. I've got some air in right now. So it's leaking a little bit because of the fittings aren't permanent. Here's the compressor info. Here's the panels that go there. Here's where the pressure sits at in the tank right now. See the oil level. We had it running a little bit ago, so the temp is up because the fan for the aftercooler only kicks on at 185, so it takes a bit. Look at the hours here. It's running hours and loaded hours and hours until next service, which that may not be accurate. That might need to be addressed right away. Not sure what H4 is. It doesn't have it over here on the legend, but 4 and 5 are not on here, but the rest of them you see right here what it's referring to. And we'll start it. Kind of fast because of the